Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday video as we use on this channel to have, of course, before the daily close and to see what we have and what we might have in the next few hours. So as per the last video, we got a 1-2 and then another 1-2 scenario here that we might see, of course, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Now, higher confirmation or more confirmation for this scenario to unfold is taking the high, definitely taking this high, plus taking the invalidation of bearish, where we, in case we have, of course, 1 and then ABC for an expanding flat for a wave 2, we would like to invalidate this. We would like to see the price taking this exactly level, just to make sure that, of course, that we are moving for higher here. Yeah. And in this case scenario, I would say, of course, 1, 2, 1, 2 is very, very possible. 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. That would be a very, very nice indication, of course, that we are moving even for higher. Now, of course, we have to estimate at this level because in case we are in an A, B, and a C, don't forget we are in an expanding flat here toward the upside. Your wave C 1.618, 1.38 at 100K around it, yeah. And in this case scenario, sorry, even right now is higher. And that was in the last video I was explaining. If we move lower, yeah, the targets will move lower with it. But currently we are higher. 100K, 105 even is possible. However, don't forget that an expanding flat can turn into running flat as well. 3 waves up, 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing 5 waves impulsive, failing to take the high here, turning it into a running flat, yeah? Finishing in the middle of the structure, a reversal signal for the market and continuation toward the downside. So we have, of course, even to be careful with this. However, right now, if we are moving for higher, this can also play as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, towards our target as expected. If we move down from here without taking those highs, yeah, if we move continuously, okay, we're open again for those fib level for a deeper wave B, yeah. So this wave B can be deeper, of course, can transform this as a W and an X and a Y somehow like this, yeah. And then, of course, because it cannot be anyway an impulse anymore, because this, if this is a wave 4 invalidation also here, possibly. So yeah, I don't see lower from this. And don't forget that the time 0.38 taken from this wave A, 3 waves down, we are looking for a wave B here as 3 waves up, yeah. The time for those 3 waves up based on the time of this wave A is very, very far, meaning higher possibility still looking for higher, guys. Yeah, because currently our wave B has finished exactly here, currently. Yeah. And this kind of like unacceptable, yeah, for a wave B, such a wave B after a very long wave A to move directly towards the downside for a wave C, 65K is a market crash. Okay, Bitcoin is not crashing here, of course, and especially by looking at 3 waves down. So higher possibility still for the of course blue box 100K possible. If we move down, definitely we are expanding our wave B. Yeah, 1.38, 73K is possible, of course, and then moving again towards the upside. Now, of course, the targets will move down with it again. Yeah, 95K, 100K. Yeah, and this is very possible to happen, guys, as well, if we don't take the highs. So we need now to take the highs here to say that we are, yeah, like ready to move for higher in this wave C. Unless, of course, we're still looking for a bigger wave B here to be expanded and then moving for higher prices. If we take a look at KGT as well, we can see that we have a bearish signal conversion from the top here. We have invalidation already for the bullish, But here, of course, with the higher prices, we saw a drop toward the downside, right? In conversions, somehow, potentially, let me get just the low. Here we go. Potentially in conversions, is that a, oh yeah, it's like conversions, not diversions. Meaning, of course, with conversions and not diversions, that is not really a strong signal for bullish, guys, to be honest. Yeah, so. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen in this area. It might shift, nobody knows. It might shift, but the things, let's move even more micro. Let me check. Oh yeah, also conversions, guys. Yeah, also conversions, so we have to be careful with it. Yeah, I think the highs will not be taken, and this is the key elements here. Yeah, possibly. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.